Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before the break, we stopped here. Ikra al-misala, read the example. Summa adkhil inna lal jumal al. Then enter the word inna on the following sentences. Li salasu akhawatin. I have three sisters. Inna li salasa akhawatin. Indeed, I have three sisters. Inna salasa akhawatin li. Basically, this is the same story that we learned in the grammar about Mubtada and Khabar. That Mubtada comes first on normal occasion, but when Mubtada is a Nakira noun, when Mubtada is a Nakira noun, and the Khabar has a figure li, then we bring the Khabar forward. So here you see Khabar is before the Mubtada, li is before Salas wa Khawat. Nothing else here. So Miss Noor, read this.
في الفصل خمسة طلاب جدد إن خمسة طلاب جدد في الفصل.
Inna fil fasli khamsata
إن
labin.
okay. جدد لن لنا مدرس جد جديد
Jayyidun.
جيد إن لنا مدرسة
Tan.
مدرسا جديد.
Jayyidan. Naat and Manut should have seven up. So
جيدا
Inna makes the Mubtada Mansub. So here Mudaris is Mubtada. So Inna makes it Mudarisan. Then Manut and Naat must have seven up. So Jayyid also becomes Mansub.
في 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 جيبي 100 ريال. إن في جيب
B. Khabar remain marfu.
إن sorry إن في جيبي 100 ريال.
Okay. Mr. Rahma.
إن في العند أنهار كثير. إن في العند أنهار كثير.
Anharan kasiratan.
أنهار كثيرة. لك بركية في المكتب البريد. إن لك بركية في مكتب البريد. لي 1000 دولار في المصرف. إن لي ألفا
Alfa.
دولار في المصرف.
Al-Kalimatul Jadida Khadija.
لقاء meeting. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, we can hear you. Meeting correct. Wa alaikum
It is
salam.
meeting. Okay. Jayidun very
Jayyidun good.
good. Jayidun good. Jayibun pocket. Jayubun pockets. Naharun river. Enharun river. Barkiyatun. What's this one?
Telegram.
Telegram. Barkiyatun. Telegrams. Masrifun. Is that to exchange?
Masrifun bank account.
Bank. Masrifun bank account. Masarifun banks. Maktabun barid is post office.
Did anyone prepare the Surah Rahman word by word meaning? Noor,
Sundia. Button.
Rahma, Khatija, anyone?
I tried twice now.
Did you prepare it completely or not?
No, I'm at work at the moment.
Okay, prepare it.
I'm going home today, inshallah.
And what about the Hifzul Quran work? Did anyone revise it?
You mean the Hifz one?
Yes. Did anyone revise the
No.
homework number 2?
Was that Surah Baqarah?
Yes.
No,
Surah
I'll do
Baqarah.
that when I get home. I can concentrate then, inshallah.
Okay, listen now. Next time, memorize the homework number 2 of Hifzul Quran, okay?
Okay, inshallah.
And also memorize the word by word meaning. Prepare these things. Then next time, inshallah, we'll continue.
Word for word for 2 or for Rahman?
Yes. No. Memorize homework number 2 of Hifzul Quran. Revise it. You have already memorized it. So you need to revise it so that you can recite it without looking at Holy Quran during the class. Okay?
Inshallah.
Then the word by word meaning that we studied last time in Surah Rahman.
Inshallah.
Okay. Any question?
No question. Lesson tomorrow, isn't it? And then not one on Monday.
Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll study. Tomorrow we are Sunday.
Yeah.
Inshallah, we'll study.
Okay.
Ma'as-salam. Wa iyyakum.
Assalamu. Jazakumullah khairan.
جزاكم الله خيرا.
Wa iyyakum.